Section 2.2, example 10, using the washer method. So find the volume of the solid of revolution formed by revolving the region bounded above by the graph of f of x equals x and below by the graph of g of x equaling 1 over x over the interval from 1 to 4 around the x-axis. So looking at this, they call this the washer method, not washer as in like washing your clothes, but washer as in what you put like nuts and bolts. You put a washer for it to not damage like the furniture, or I'm comparing it to furniture because it's like IKEA. It kind of looks like this, and right here is where you would put like the nuts and bolts and stuff. It literally just looks like a penny with a hole in it, or like a coin with a hole in it. That's why they call it the washer method, because if you look at this right here, this graph here, everything looks like a washer. So we have like that outside circle here, we have that inside circle here. So the way we would do this one is looking at the radius from here, and we know that we overshot it by just this little empty area. Let's look at that empty area here. So that's what we would need to subtract. So the formula for using washer method, let's get that one down. Volume is equal to the integral from a to b pi, because we're still looking at pi r squared, we're still looking at that area. Here it's going to be f of x squared minus g of x squared dx. So looking at the top minus the bottom, just like we have been doing before. All right, so looking at that, I think we could get it from this picture right here. So integrating from 1 to 4, pi times f of x squared. We have the top function which is our x squared minus our bottom function g squared, that's 1 over x squared, integrating with respect to x. Let's simplify this. That's going to be 1 over 4. Let's pull the pi out. From 1 to 4, we have x squared minus, let's write it in exponent form, x to the negative 2 dx. Integrate. We have 1 over 3 x cubed minus, well, plus x to the negative 1. Evaluating this from 1 to 4. Pi times 4 cubed is 64 over 3 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3 plus 1. And let's do this. All right, 64 minus 1 is 63. 63 divided by 3 is 21. Plus, well, actually minus negative 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is negative 3 over 4. 21, 84, 81 over 4 pi. Is that what I have here? 81 over 4 pi, 81 over 4. Yep. Perfect. There we go. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.